Hi, I'm here in a quiet little town called Uyuni. This is in Bolivia. It's where the salt flats are. We're at an elevation of 3,650 metres. The salt flats are a wonder of the world. It's the largest mirror in the world. So we're going to tour around and take a look, and let's see what we see. This is the main street. Uyuni. It's Uyuni. Okay, so in Bolivia, do as the Bolivians do. So this is Pique Macho. Pique Macho, I got it right. We're on the way to Uyuni. We've got some real pretty landscape here. Yeah, well, look, I would definitely say that Salar de Uyuni was one of my faves. The captivation of looking at just white salt as far as the eye could see, then with the blue sky behind it, was amazing. And as we drove out in the water, you know, got more and more and more, we could see the reflections of the mountains, and everything in the water was captivating. And then the sunset to top it off was just wow. It was just such a beautiful, beautiful experience. You know, these things need to be experienced, I believe. So yeah, I really would say, hey, come down and check it out.